Sassy. Chasing your own tail, you silly girl. You're kind of dumb. Nacho, shh. It's my sister's dog. It's hilarious. Come here, Sassy. It's chasing its own tail. And Nacho's being obnoxious. I'm going to kick you. And you're going to fly across this yard. Sassy, come here. Come here. You're ridiculous.
That's stupid.
I know, it's hilarious though.
It was like right up against the house.
You got it. Nacho, be quiet. You're jealous? Are you jealous? Come here, son. Shut up. Alright, I guess that's enough of that. Pretty funny though.